Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today I'll show you our new project in Europe. So this is a 30 megawatt solar panel production line. This side for auto glass loading machine. And here laser cutting. And this side table stringer. So follow me to see all parking lot. This for auto layup machine with robot. You see robot here. And this side, second glass loading. Our engineer is doing installation now. This side for auto EL tester. And this side for auto laminator. The engineer working here. And this, follow me to see this side. Here is final testing for finished panel. And this side is aluminum gluing and framing machine and junction box installation. So that's all. Thank you.